Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing pending updates and restarting immediately. Many search failures are update-related. Once done, run Settings Update and Security Troubleshoot Search and Indexing to auto-fix permission and indexing hints. Next, open Services and make sure Windows Search is running and set to Automatic, Delayed Start. That ensures the service starts after boot. These steps remove common blockers, so later repairs actually take effect rather than being masked by unfinished updates or a stopped service. Once the service is healthy, rebuild the index so corrupted index data stops causing missing results. Open indexing options, advanced rebuild, and expect time for large drives. Then run PowerShell as administrator to re-register Search and Cortana components. That repairs broken app registrations and manifests. After that, run sfc/scano and dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to fix system file errors. These restore core search binaries and dependents. To finish, create a new local administrator account and test search there. A working new profile means your user profile was corrupted and needs migration. If search remains dead, use a recent system restore point or reinstall the Windows Search feature from optional features to replace damaged components. Make sure to check Event Viewer for specific error messages and try Safe Mode to see if third-party software blocks search. If that reveals the issue, uninstall the conflicting app or restore Windows to the point before the conflict.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.